Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today I will be showing you guys how to make my cheesy potato recipe. You're gonna boil over your potatoes for around 8 to 15 minutes. You're then gonna peel off the skin. Then I'm using my mixture of beef, minced garlic, cilantro, tomato, and barbecue sauce.
ما أحلك يا رمضان أنا دايما بستنى على قلبي ما أغلى
I'm also adding some mayo.
ريحته طلت رمضان ده حياتي
Now I'm slicing the potato in half and removing the inside of the potatoes. I mix the insides of the potato with my mixture, and then I add them in. I then add some cheese on top. I then put it in the oven at around 10 minutes. Here is your final product.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget thumbs up, like I said. Bye.
وزي صحباتي عايزين عطول رمضان ده حياتي